English version, class 5, chapter 7, number 5. In a class, the average age of 20 students is 10 years. When 10 more students are admitted, the average age of 30 students become 11 years. What will be the average of newly admitted student? Then we try the total age of 20 student. The total is 20 student equal to 20 into 10 equal to 200 years. Total age of 30 student newly coming equal to 11, then 30 into 11 equal to 330 years. Then total age of new 10 student 330 minus 200 equal to 130 years. Then average of newly 10 students 130 divided by 10 equal to 13 years. Thank you.